Wicca, the religion of witches, was for a long time behind a veil of secrecy. Anyone who wanted to learn witchcraft had to be satisfied with mere hints from books and articles. Sorcerers remained silent until they found worthy successors. Nowadays, the number of those thirsty for witchcraft knowledge is growing, and they can no longer be satisfied with the status quo. Many have engaged in a search for a personal religion, which would proclaim psychological and spiritual values, and in which practical magic would exist in perfect harmony with divinity. Wicca is just such a religion, centered around the worship of nature in the form of the goddess and god. Its ancient spiritual roots, its use of witchcraft, magic, and its acceptance of the mysteries of nature made it attractive. Until recently, the lack of published information due to the inaccessibility of Wicca was a cause of great frustration among those studying witchcraft. Wicca is not looking for new members. The main stumbling block for those wishing to study is its rituals and magical techniques. Wicca is not forced because, unlike Western religions, it recognizes that many paths can lead to God. Interest in practical witchcraft is growing, and perhaps with the beginning of the age of Aquarius it is time to reveal the essence of our religion. To do so is not to trump Wicca as the salvation of our planet, but simply to offer it to those who want to learn of witchery. Times have changed now. We have matured, perhaps too quickly. Our technology is ahead of the wisdom of its use. Wicca, as a religion, is changing too. This is necessary to ensure that it is not just a ridiculous curio as it used to be. Wicca followers must make their religion resistant to the future if it is to offer something to new generations. Since we live in perpetual fear that the next catastrophe could be the end of our planet, there is no better time for Wicca, a religion created by nature herself.